Okay, Shalmali. We just finished our session at Kshitij today. You know, we were on stage. We played a lot of fun games over there as well. And now we are back over here today for the Kshitij Carpool. The session at Kshitij, you want to tell something about what exactly happened over there? You liked it? How was your experience? You came for the second time. You came for the first time in October.
So this time I was like, what are we gonna do? Because we did a lot of the fun stuff in October. And I was like, what exactly will we do this time? But it was so much fun.
Yeah.
I had so much fun and I love the energy. Like there's something just so casual but fun, and masti is to there, and the games are so innovative.
Yeah.
Like I'm thinking, कौन बनाता है ये games? Like
in this entire podcast, we have 4 segments. Now these 4 segments vary a lot. Okay. What basically happens is it can be good segments, bad segments. It will be a little bit of embarrassment and
oh really?
a lot of things. You know,
I
it's
have
gonna
no
be
option.
surprises.
I'm stuck in this car with you. And
Yeah,
now
you can't jump out also.
I can't. I cannot. Literally, I have no option but to, well, देखा जाएगा अभी क्या होता है.
Okay, so I'll explain you what 4 segments first we are doing. Okay, the first segment that we have. Oh, shut up. Okay, so the first segment that we have is called Red Flag, Green Flag.
Okay.
Okay, the second segment that we will play is Smash or Pass. But this Smash or Pass is gonna be a fashion edition. Okay, being a fashion icon, I think you're gonna enjoy, especially the outfits that we have. So viewers and you don't have an idea about what you're gonna be smashing or passing.
Okay.
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 Then we have carpool karaoke. Now basically you're a singer, right?
Yeah.
So some karaoke in a car is something that 100% we need to do. So I'll be throwing out like random words, and based on those words, the first song that comes to your mind, you sing that song. Okay.
अच्छा. Okay.
So the word does not need to necessarily be in the song, but like the first song that comes to your mind, you just have to sing it.
अच्छा. Wow,
Okay.
very nice.
Yeah. Okay. And the last we have is guess the movie. Okay. Where basically I'll explain you the entire plot and scenario of the movie. We've done theaters as well, right?
Yes.
So I'll be doing plot. Yeah, I did like a full background research on you.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, I came trained. Okay.
So you're not going to tell me the name of the film. You're going to explain.
I'm just going to explain the plot.
अच्छा.
Okay, and then you have to guess the film.
Okay.
Okay. If you guess the film, then you get a point. Again, it's point system. Okay. We have, I think, a total of 10 films. Cool.
Okay.
So out of 10, if you score anything less than, we'll keep it difficult. Okay. We'll
This
keep
is
it 8.
not nice. I don't like this. If you can't do this, then they.
But only then it's interesting.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So if we do something like that, then in that case, I'll put up we'll do a punishment, but that punishment will be something that will be beneficial for me. Okay, I'll be selfish over here. Okay, we'll post a story. Okay, saying that guys, I just did something cool, and if you guys want to see it, you can follow, and I'll give you a page name. Okay.
Okay.
There'll be Midway Kshitij and there'll be Campus Carpool. Cool.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah.
Works.
I mean, do I have a choice? I'm stuck in this car with you.
Yeah.
But yeah, okay, yes. Okay, Vansh.
Done.
Deal.
Cool. We'll start with the torture segments.
You're scaring me, man. मेरे को घर जाना है.
Okay. So for the first segment, red flag, green flag.
Okay.
Okay. What exactly this segment is? Now, basically, what we'll do is we'll keep a count of how many red flags and how many green flags you think. Okay. Food is something that everyone likes. So I'll be giving you weird food combinations and cravings that people around the world somewhere have and follow.
Yeah.
Okay. I have a list of them, and you basically have to either red flag them, that is, yeah, this is something which is good,
Okay.
or green flag them, that nah, this is something you should stay away from.
So green is stay away and red.
No, green is eat,
Green is eat.
and red is away. It's basically like, you know, the Gen Z slang, red flag and green flag in a guy or a girl. We're gonna do it for food.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Cool. Okay. So the first one we have is pickles with ice cream.
Red. Who in the world is doing this?
Yeah, people eat pickled ice creams.
उनको क्या कर दो? What did they do in Ramayan? They send them away.
भस्म कर.
भस्म?
नहीं,
No,
संन्यास.
संन्यास. संन्यास. सत्यानाश कर दिया. Pickle or what? And
ठीक है.
ice cream.
Yeah, pickle and ice cream. It's basically like खट्टा मीठा जैसा कॉम्बिनेशन
बिल्कुल भी
करने का
मत
ट्राई
करो
किया.
guys. कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है.
Next is French fries with ice cream. This is very common.
Yeah.
I myself
Green.
hate it.
I will
Green?
never do it, but yes, once does it, and others do it too. So
That's
green.
because I do it. I mean green. I mean,
green,
yeah,
it's
it can be.
I won't do it. I won't
But you
do
have to
any
give
of
green
it.
to everything you would do, not everyone else
Oh.
should do. This is about you.
Oh, it's about me?
Yeah.
Oh, all reds then. You can just throw some red over everything.
Okay, we'll reset the bar. Okay, all of them are red till now.
They're all red.
All of them.
Yeah.
You won't try any ऐसा weird combination
No,
just
see,
to see.
I'll do, and then I'll say I'll just go back to coconut, tender coconut and naturals, please.
Oh, you like that flavor? Wow. That's my childhood. And, oh, I said it and I just realized I'm my childhood.
You're hungry?
No,
You're
I'm
still in
my
your
childhood. Okay, so the next one we have fries with honey. I think that's like honey chili potatoes or something like
Yeah.
that. That's
Actually,
more
this
like
will be my first green.
it. Green?
Yeah.
Okay, then we have a green flag. Then we have cheese and jam in a bread.
Absolutely. Green.
Green?
Yep.
Cheese and
I'd
jam.
do it. I'd do it. Yeah.
Okay. Next up we have mango and chili powder. Like we have guava and chili powder. How about mango and chili powder?
Green.
Green?
Green. Yeah.
Okay. What's
Like-
the weirdest thing you've had ketchup with?
I'm not a weird person, Ray.
But I saw but coming.
No. There's no but in that.
Gulab jamun with vanilla ice cream. This is a big green flag.
Of course, yeah. Sorry, I was like green. Yes, green. Green.
Done. This is green. Okay. We'll do one last. Okay. We will go with butter in sugar sandwich. Like a bread butter with sugar in it.
Bread butter with sugar in it, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like when the crystals of sugar.
That's cool.
That's cool.
That's cool.
A lot of people feel that it's a weird texture.
No, it's kind of nice. It breaks the chewiness of the bread and the smoothness
Get
of the
some
butter.
crisp.
Put me on MasterChef already. and
If
then
you're seeing this, that's her application.
I'm auditioning for MasterChef right now.
She's gonna make banana with ketchup. on
Hell's knows.
We have smash or pass.
Smash or pass.
Okay, in the fashion space, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I think when it comes to outfits,
Yeah.
you can be a good judge for the outfits, okay?
Yeah.
So the first one we have is Horrid Henry.
I smashed this one because I feel like it's all cool color schemes still, even though there's no other green except for the green shoes. But I don't particularly except the
green?
yellow. Actually, yellow is a warm color. That's fine though. But I kind of like how it's all coming together.
So next one we have is Motu Patlu. Yeah, so we're basically doing cartoons for this one, okay?
I see now clearly. Okay, Motu is a smash. I love what's happening with Motu, including his cool mustache and his.
I think it's the hair. Like there's no hair.
Yeah, there is some in the back.
Yeah, in the back.
It's hiding.
He's rocking like a. I think that can be the new trend for hairstyles. Guys can rock that.
Yeah, for sure. It's almost like that Shogun wala hairstyle.
I
Have you
would
seen
never go
that?
to college if someone showed up like that.
this? Dude, you'd be looking at them, staring at them.
Yeah.
But I'm not quite. I'm passing patlus
Mm-hmm.
because
Why?
I feel like the
He looks
whole.
like-
He looks like the sun. Oh, yeah, yellow and orange.
He looks
You
like
know?
the nerd who just got.
It's too safe.
Yeah. Yeah,
It's a very
like
safe
playing
outfit.
safe, yeah.
Yeah, but
So Motu is a smash,
Is a
Patlu is a
smash.
pass.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll move on to the next one.
Woo.
Iconic.
Woo. Oh, this is such
Choda
a smash.
Beam. He
Smash.
got the jewelry. He got the dhoti.
And the dhoti, man, the dhoti is a
Orange
different
dhoti.
kind of dhoti, yeah. The dhoti style is not
Yeah,
like
the crazy tilak and his hairstyle.
all of it. It's coming together so beautifully. Beam,
Smash.
smash.
Okay. This one
Woo.
is Shikari Shambhu.
Shikari Shambhu, dude,
Yeah.
can he even see? Does he know where he's going?
No,
He's standing on the bark of a tree right now. Does he know?
No idea.
But wow, man, I would wear that. If
You would
he
wear
has
that?
to, if he grows,
Like a khaki outfit.
yeah, I mean, if he grows tired of his outfit and wants to give it away, I'd be the
You'd
one.
buy
to-
it on an auction.
Yeah, I would take it.
Done. Okay. So Shikari Shambhu is a smash.
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo!
Come on. No one can go wrong. Everyone's favorite Shin Chan.
Shin-chan.
Like extremely light yellow shorts.
Extremely light yellow shorts. That's the name of the color.
Yeah. And a
Extremely
red
yellow.
full sleeves t-shirt or sweatshirt?
Sweatshirt, I think. Yeah.
And then cute little yellow shoes.
Yeah.
And white socks also.
I think the whole idea was for him to look cute, which is happening. But if the inside of him is not cute, what
So
is
you have to imagine basically if this outfit
Yeah.
is there on a real person.
Smash.
Smash?
Smash.
You're good with shorts.
Yeah.
You like shorts?
Listen, any kind of pale pink, pale yellow, pale lilac looks
Yeah.
fantastic on boys.
Perfect.
It absolutely looks
I'm gonna
phenomenal.
take tips from this.
Please, you will actually look very nice in this.
Done. I'll go shopping.
Go Shin-chan.
Full. Puff girls.
Yeah, you're good girls, you're good. Smash. Smash them all. They're so cool. They're so
Okay.
cool.
Popeye.
The sailor boy. The sailor man.
I have tattoos here as well.
Yeah, I
That
love.
goes with the fashion.
I think a lot of that brand's.
I think this is
clothing-
almost what I am wearing today. It's like
Yes.
black, just blue nahi hai.
अब
And I'm wearing
बहुत
brown
बड़ा
shoes
difference
also.
है यार.
Brown shoes bhi
अच्छा
hai.
fine, brown shoes.
See?
हैं.
Wait, we'll make it even.
You want to wear a hat? Just wearing any hat doesn't count. You're not looking like Popeye right now. I'm sorry, but pass.
No?
You are pass, but he is
Oh.
smash.
Accident or
But your list is looking nice.
This is good?
Yeah. It's
Okay,
nice.
my outfit.
Oh.
Black color
Smash.
t-shirt.
Smash. It goes with your personality, and that's all that matters.
Perfect. Ninja Tori.
Wow. I want that. I will sacrifice the blind man's khaki outfit, this one, for this. Because it's got a cool hood. Is it because
Yeah.
it's a baby?
He's not a
Is this a
baby,
baby?
necessarily. Like he
Okay.
has a ninja star and a sword.
Yeah,
Definitely
but
not a
is it a
baby.
baby ninja?
Yeah,
The
kind
character?
of. Kind of.
Yeah.
Like you can say he can be like around 12 to 14 years old.
Oh, that's not a baby. I haven't watched.
Your outfit gives the pink powerful girl today.
Woo!
Yeah, now that you see it, yeah.
Yes.
Well, for the next challenge, like I said, the third segment will basically be carpool karaoke. Okay?
Ooh.
I'm gonna throw random words and the songs that come to your mind.
Okay.
You sing, okay? You'll have like it's gonna be quick. You'll have like 3 to 5 seconds max, and then you start singing. Cool?
Okay. This
I
quick
love
thing
putting you
really
in these
makes me-
positions.
Yeah, man. What's up, be quick? What's the hurry? My house is still so far away.
But we have one more game.
Okay, fine.
Okay?
Okay.
Done. So the first word that we have is friendship.
चढ़ी मुझे यारी तेरी ऐसी जैसे दारू देसी खट्टी मीठी बातें हैं नशे सी जैसे दारू देसी लड़खड़ाने लगी मुस्कुराने लगी बेवजह हर जगह आने जाने लगी तू मुझे मैं तुझे जो भी हो दिल में वो खुल के बताने लगी चढ़ी मुझे यारी तेरी ऐसी जैसे दारू देसी.
Okay, wow. That was perfect.
That was quick.
You killed the first one. Okay. So the second word we have is college.
कभी कभी आदिती
Sing
I am singing it, just not doing the lyrics. कभी कभी आदिती लगता है
और
तारे
कैसे
तारे
कोई
सोचते everything's gonna be okay.
Perfect. You get half a point for that.
Fine.
Okay. So the third word that we have is drives.
तू दिल के मेरे चंद लफ्जों में ही 100 टुकड़े करके चल रहा है यूं ही मैं तेरे लम्हों में फिर भी ढूंढू खुद को कहीं, क्या न कर दूं अभी जो तेरे जिक्र की मैं हो सकी. That's my song Baki, which I absolutely love listening on drives, and it has nothing to do with driving, but
Yeah.
it's just a great drive song.
But it has like a vibe. It has a catch to it. Like, you know, when we were vibing, it was fun.
It was.
It did not look like we
I
want
give
to
you
stop.
a point for that.
Wow, we're switching roles.
Yes.
Next one we have is Chaos.
Dun, 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 dun. आजा आजा दिल निचोड़े, रात की मटकी तोड़े, कोई गुड लक निकाले, आज गुल्लक तो फोड़े, आजा आजा आजा. Did you feel the chaos?
Yeah. Wow, that was perfect.
Okay.
Acha, okay.
Huh.
We'll do one last, okay?
Huh.
Okay, we'll do this. Kshitij.
Okay. दिल मेरा तू है, लगने लगा तू है, जिसे ढूंढते फिरते थे हम तो मारे मारे. दिल मेरा तू है, लगने लगा तू है, जिसे ढूंढते फिरते थे हम तो मारे मारे. कहना हमें बस इतना ही है तुम्हें. This is my song "Tu Hai," which is it's such a happy song that I feel happy when I'm at
Yeah, it's a
Kshitij.
jolly mood.
It's like I'm happy I did this. I'm happy I'm here and alive and doing this.
Perfect. I'm happy hosting you today.
Yay!
Okay. Okay, I think that is it with the
That's
votes.
it?
Yeah.
I did so. Listen, I'm just like
Yeah, you're killing it
surprising
today.
myself.
You're killing it today with all the games.
New this thing acquired. What do they say in video games? New something
New
acquired.
level unlocked.
New level unlocked.
Well, talking about games this year, the theme for Kshitij
Huh.
is the Warehouse Arcade. Arcade Warehouse.
Ooh.
So, which basically means that the arcade is for games,
Yeah.
Ware is for magical,
Huh.
and House is a type of music.
Yeah.
So basically, the theme is we play games,
Yeah.
but at the same time have magical vibes with the music.
Wow.
Yeah, so there's a lot going on with that also.
Amazing.
Okay, so thinking about that theme,
Mm-hmm.
what exactly do you feel that what kind of a theme or a vibe goes with that? Like, what can you imagine when you hear about the theme?
ये हंसी वादियाँ ये खुला आसमां आ गए. Oh, this is a video. My God, I should stop doing this stuff. आ गए हम कहाँ मेरे साजना. Do you know the song?
Yeah, I've heard it, but I don't know the
It's A.R. Rahman. Obviously, I do not remember most lyrics, but this is a very Ye Hasi Waadiyan from I think Bombay or Roja, one of the two songs.
It's like a
That's
more
like this-
natural, airy kind of vibe that I got.
Honestly, yeah, that's what he's talking about. But like, it also has this scale which feels very like mysterious, you know. Which I feel like your warehouse. You said magical. No, what warehouse?
Arcade Warehouse.
Arcade warehouse. Good. No, arcade तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं जाता है उसमें.
Warehouse जाता है.
Warehouse जाता है.
The meaning that we bring with Warehouse definitely goes with it.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, that was with the theme, and moving on, talking about your new tour. This naam se tour.
Yes. You know, I've never announced. Like, okay, in 2016 I did a US tour,
Okay.
but after that I haven't done a tour. And this tour is doubly special for me because
It's
of
like
all
10
the
years.
yeah, it's been a while.
Almost, yeah.
It's almost been that long. Of all the music that I have also composed and written, I'm able to perform that on this tour, and it's in India, in 5 cities in India, and we're starting with Bombay on the 3rd
perfect.
of October.
Ranchi, Mumbai.
So I have to really set the tone for the tour right on the 3rd of October at Antisocial. Come,
Done.
huh?
I'll pakka come. Pakka. 3rd October Anti-Socials. Done. Okay. So the last segment. We move on to the last segment.
Okay.
Before I drop you, I think we're close by.
Yeah,
To take a left or where?
you can take a left. Actually,
Left?
take a left. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So the next segment that we have is called Guess the Movie.
Okay.
Okay. Now guess the movie is why? Because like you said, oh wow, that's perfect lighting.
Yeah. My
Yeah.
God, I'm getting
Sun
burnt with
is-
the light.
Sun is in my favor today. But you know, I heard something. You just said that you forgot that we were recording and it was on camera,
Yeah.
which is a very big compliment. Because if you forget that you are being recorded and you're just enjoying the vibe,
Yeah.
it's 100% a big compliment. So thank you so much for being here. It's a pleasure.
Thank you, Vansh. You're so good at what you do.
Thank you so
I
much.
wish all the big, beautiful things to you in life.
Thank you so much.
Whatever
That
you
really
choose to
means a
do.
lot. Okay, so moving on to the segment, guess the movie.
Huh.
So basically, how this is gonna go is, I know that you've done theaters before, right? According to my research.
In the past. a little bit,
Yeah, in the past, yeah. So I think you watch a lot of movies.
Yes and no. That's like in sports, I watch a lot of movies.
Or in sports, you watch a lot.
Sports. Like
Sports. So
in sports.
my vocabulary.
My God. In sports.
I thought you were saying sports movies and
No,
those
no,
kind
no,
of.
not like that.
Okay, so in sports you watch movies, right?
Yeah.
So basically, I'll give you the plot of the movie. What exactly happens in the movie, like a short.
Hindi movies.
Yeah, we'll do Hindi.
Hmm.
Hmm.
क्या बात है क्या बात
See,
है let's
I know that
go.
also that you watch English ज़्यादा. So difficult for you again.
Yeah, of course,
Okay.
because that's what your whole motive in life is, to make things difficult for me.
See,
You don't want
it's
to give
not
me
interesting
points.
till it's difficult.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Who said that? Okay, fine. Fine. We're in your car, we'll just say yes to anything you say.
Okay, done.
Go for it.
So the first plot that we have is the story is about friendship
Mhm.
and the pressure on the education system.
Three Idiots.
I did not even.
Did I get it right or what?
Yeah, you got it right.
म्यूजिक
Like
बजना
I-
चाहिए हाँ इसमें पीछे
Done,
ऐसा
done, done. Background music बजाता हूँ.
हाँ प्लीज
Dina din da. Dina din da.
यस
That's every time you win, we'll play Dina din da.
डन आई अप्रूव
Okay, so you got the first one right. You don't even let me finish,
हाँ
which is scaring me. Okay, so the next plot of the movie. Yeah, these are easy movies, yaar.
हाँ तो तू पढ़ पढ़ पढ़
An alien arrives on Earth and questions humans' beliefs.
this Amir Khan
Yeah, but which movie?
Amir Khan comes and does this. Wait,
Which
wait.
movie? Where do we go?
Guntu.
Straight?
Guntu.
Buntu Puntu. No. This is easy. This
but
is very
Amir
easy.
Khan, I said no.
No, but Amir Khan is not the movie name.
Amir Khan is in it doing the alien.
Yeah.
He's not doing the alien. Yes, he's the alien. Listen, I'm getting this point. Yeah. I can't remember the name of the film. Okay, tell me the first letter.
No.
Just tell me. It's not Gajni because in that he's someone else.
I can't say the first
completely.
letter.
First letter.
If I say the first letter, you will
Come on,
come to
Manch.
know.
We've come a long
No,
way
you will
with our
come to know.
friendship.
No, this is cheating.
We've come from Juhu with our friendship. Okay.
Okay,
fine,
first
you
letter is
can-
P.
I was going to say
Now you should get it.
Puntu.
There's literally 2 letters.
Oh, really?
Okay, you lose this one.
Okay, fine. Take
Done?
it. Yeah, what is it?
PK. There's only P and K.
But I said Amir Khan.
No.
Okay,
You can't
fine.
argue on that. That's 1.1.
Sure,
Okay.
go on, okay, fine.
So you got 1 right, 1 wrong. Okay, next one is good. Okay.
Hmm.
A heartwarming tale of a man who helped a little girl reunite with her family in Pakistan.
Ha. Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Yeah, Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Dina, din da. Dina, we forgot it in Queen.
Yeah, see. It's okay, you can paste the other one here.
Okay.
Wait, let me just tell him मैं हूँ. Namaste.
Hello, sir.
मैं हूँ. हाँ.
Okay, this is very famous. A romantic drama which includes a lot of misunderstandings where a man realizes his feelings for his best friend after a tragedy. And this is is one of the biggest films. Wait, is it SRK? Yeah, it's SRK. I think it's SRK and Kajol. Say.
Kabhi Khushi, Kabhi Gum.
Yeah.
Is it?
Nahi.
I've not watched Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, but I just guessed. Oh wait, कुछ कुछ होता है.
Yes.
कुछ कुछ होता है. कुछ कुछ होता है. Yes.
Dina din tha. Dina din tha. Okay, so I think you crashed it.
Thank you guys. I love
She
you
won
all.
it.
Can I do my acceptance speech?
Yeah,
I want
sure.
to thank my parents and like my principal of my school and principal of Kshitij. No, the Miti Bai. Principal of Kshitij. And you, Vansh.
Thank you so much.
I had so
Well,
much
wherever
fun.
you are, we're at your place.
Yes,
You have to go now.
I do. I need to start wearing my shoes again. Since that was not in the shot, I was like, heck though. Thank you.
Well, yeah, that was it. That was Campus Car School for you. Hope you enjoyed it.
I really did.
Before
the
you
tea.
go, the tea, yeah. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. It was a pleasure having you. And there's your drop stop.
Thank you.